Setting up your eBay account after signing up is essential to start buying and selling effectively. Follow these steps to complete your setup. Step 1. Verify your email address. Check your email for a verification message from eBay. Click the link in the email to confirm your account and activate your eBay profile. Step 2. Set up payment information. Log into your eBay account and navigate to the payment settings. Add a payment method such as a credit card or PayPal to facilitate purchases and receive payments for sales. Step 3. Create your profile. Go to your account settings and fill in your profile information. This includes your name, address, and phone number. Ensure all details are accurate to avoid issues with transactions. Step 4. Customize your preferences. Access your account preferences to adjust settings like communication preferences, shipping options, and return policies. Tailoring these settings will help streamline your buying and selling experience. Step 5. Start listing items. Once your account is set up, you can begin listing items for sale. Click on the Sell button and follow the prompts to create your first listing, including adding photos, descriptions, and pricing. Completing these steps will help you get started on eBay smoothly. Happy selling!